accidentally nuked an important text or a whole WhatsApp thread? Or maybe they just vanished into thin air after that last iOS update? Before you freak out and drop a ton of cash on some sketchy data recovery service, check this out. Here's the thing most people don't realize: your lost data is probably still chilling in your iCloud backup. Today, I'm gonna show you how to safely scan those backups using Gbyte Recovery. No jailbreaking, no overwriting your current data, and best of all, you can preview everything for free before spending a dime. First, fire up Gbyte on your PC or Mac. Select Recover from iCloud Backup. Once your backups pop up, pick the one you need, even if it's an old snapshot from before you deleted the messages. Hit Start Scan. Then sign in with your Apple ID. Don't worry, it's totally secure. It's strictly read-only. When the scan finishes, just click Messages or WhatsApp on the left panel. Deleted stuff is usually marked or highlighted. You can literally preview the full convo right there: timestamps, pics, attachments, the whole 9 yards. And this isn't just for texts. It works for photos, contacts, notes, and even line chats. If Gbyte finds it, you can see it. Just select what you want and hit Recover to save it to your computer. Unlike restoring from iTunes, this won't wipe your phone clean. Your current data stays exactly where it is. The link's down in the description. Seriously, run the free scan. If it finds your stuff, awesome. If not, you've got nothing to lose since you can see the results before paying. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're trying to get back.